Quicksilva's been around for 16 years now, and we're a provider of solutions, integration solutions to the healthcare sector, and also the application management services in addition to that over the N3 network. And we complement both those services with a sort of range of products that have been developed from our experience of integrating with national services such as the NHS spine. The main challenges facing us supplying to the healthcare market are that it's a very complex environment, and there's a whole raft of IG, clinical safety, interoperability standards that need to be met. And obviously meeting these standards requires expertise and it requires effort. And at the same time, the NHS is going through a sort of unprecedented sort of series of cuts. And so anything that we offer has to be cost effective, and yet we still have to meet the various standards and requirements that the NHS puts on us, and therein lies the big challenge, is achieving that balance. So we chose to partner with Redcentric because what we required was a secure, resilient, highly available hosting environment that had connectivity to the N3 network, and that also had all the required accreditations in terms of IG Toolkit, IG SOC. We did a review of the market, and we've subsequently repeated that review, and on both occasions we found that Redcentric was the only supplier out there that ticked all the boxes from that perspective. It really is that in terms of our technology stack, so as you work up from the infrastructure up to the application level, there's a point at which I know below that in the technology stack that I just have to deal with a single supplier, because everything is taken care of in terms of infrastructure, in terms of network connectivity by Redcentric, and having to deal with only one supplier makes my life a lot more easy. In addition to that, the responsiveness of Redcentric adds benefits to our company, and also the ability to be able to scale up and down using the platforms that Redcentric offer us. The solutions that we have are scalable, so we can ramp up and ramp down as we need. They're cost effective relative to the rest of the market and what we could get elsewhere, and obviously that's important to us. And also the Redcentric name is a trusted name. It gets us past the first post in many opportunities that we're going for if we mention the name Redcentric.